God said to Moses, I am who I am. And he said, say this to the people of Israel, I am has sent me to you. God also said to Moses, say to this people of Israel, the Lord, the God of your fathers, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob has sent me to you. This is my name forever, and thus I am to be remembered throughout all generations. The great I am has sent you, Moses. That's what I want you to tell them. This famous name of God. Who should I say who sent me? What is your name? I am that I am. It's this beautiful pair of verbs that essentially say, I will be who I always will be. I am who I will always be. It is this eternality of God, his all-powerfulness, his all-existence. This is what God says, this is who I am. This is who is talking to you, Moses. This is who will accomplish this. Moses is worried about this. He's really worried about this. He's worried that he's not up for the task. He's worried that others are not going to accept him as God's messenger. Now listen, friends. God's identity for Moses is bigger than Moses' identity for Moses. That means God's identity for you is bigger than your identity for you. Anything you think you are, anything this world tells you you are, pales in comparison in opposed to who God has called you to be. The truest thing about you is what your Creator says about you. So God reassures Moses. He says, Moses, I picked you because you have every gift and talent I need. You picked exactly the right major at Egyptian University. You did exactly, that's not what God says. I picked you, Moses, and I will go with you. I will be with you. I will do this. With the reassurance that Moses is God's, the job Moses is given is God's work, and it is God who will go ahead of Moses.